Here is a close-up look at all of the new Made in USA stainless steel welded bird toys available at parrotsorus.net. Show you each one individually, so let's go. Budgie jingle, twice the chime. Bell, B-E-L-L-E. We have duet. Single jingle. Every bird needs their own set of card keys, right? We have Aw Nuts, a great foot toy. Next up, Arch. Large brick house bell. The bell tower medium. Fill it up. This is a small, fill it up. This is the large here, fill it up. And then the medium, fill it up. So cool. Sassy Little. Rainbow Arch. Galaxy. Hang out. You just attach it to the cage. This is awesomeness. Foot toys. Here's the gatekeeper. Fidget. Roundabout. Contraption. Look at this. Bell tower large. Hearts in balance. Starlet. Junior masterpiece with acrylic beads. This is called Echo. Oh, this is for your big guys. Add to cart at parrotsorus.net.